Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about natural numbers and whole numbers. And let's begin with natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which will come in your mind, naturally, or it will come in your mind naturally when someone asks you to count, that is for counting, or someone asks you to put something in order, or for ordering. And what does that mean? Suppose you have four balls. This is ball 1, this is ball 2, this is ball 3, and this is ball 4, suppose. And if anyone asks you that what's the number of count for these of all these balls, how many balls do you have, so you'll say, okay, let me count it. And when you're going to count, the first number that will come into your mind would be 1, right? You will say, hey, this is one ball. Okay, then you will say, hey, this is another one ball, this is one ball, and this is another one ball, and therefore you would say that, hey, it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 4, and therefore we have 4 balls. Now notice that there could be another way to count that, and you would say that, hey, this is ball number 1, this is 2, and this is 3, hey, this is 4th ball, and therefore 4 is a count. We have 4 number of balls. Now notice that 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, here 4, and here 4. These numbers came naturally into your mind for counting, and you can count as many balls as you will have, and you can tell the number of counts by using these numbers that came into your mind naturally. Therefore these are called natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, now what about ordering? So suppose someone says that, okay, we have this is ball, and we have this is ball, and we have this is ball, and this is a ball, and let's take some different color. This is ball, here is a ball, and here is a ball. Okay, so someone says you that, hey, the serial number for this ball is 1, the serial number for this ball is 2. That is, you have put an order, right? You can allot a number for any given ball. You say this is ball number 1, and this is ball number 2, and this is ball number 3. Sorry, we'll have to take some different color. This is ball number 3, and this is ball number 4, and this is ball number 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, so now you see you have ordered this, you have allotted a number to order them, that is, you have put a serial number in front of them, and therefore now this is ball number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So you have put in order, and therefore this is called ordering. Right? So to count the number, you use these numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. To put in order, to order a number to anything or any substance, you use these numbers. So these are the natural numbers that came into your mind. Now notice that you cannot have any largest number, right? It could be 6, then 7, then 8, then up to some say you came up to 1,000, right? Then maybe you went up to 10,000. Okay, so now if someone asks you, hey, how many hairs do you have in your head? How many hairs do you have on your head? How many hairs do you have? So you will say that, hey, that's I think very difficult to count, but But suppose if you have any machine or any technology or whatsoever, and is there any way to count the numbers of the hair on your head, then if you can give that number, if you can tell the sum of that all the hairs, then you can tell the number, and therefore that would come anywhere. That could be of a 10,000 or say lakhs or whatever. I mean, I'm just taking an example. So there can't be any largest number. Like if someone asks you that what's the largest number, then there's no such thing like largest number. It could be any number. So, okay, so this was natural numbers. Now let's move to another thing that is called whole numbers. What are whole numbers? If you saw in the natural numbers that you started from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it will go on, and there's no largest limit, there's no limit for that. But if you include 0 in that, and you make it 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and similarly so on. Okay, so there you are not having 0 here, but here you included 0, and therefore if you start your number from 0 and then 1 and so on, that would be whole numbers. So what's the difference between the natural numbers and the whole numbers? Natural numbers are something that are used for counting and ordering, and therefore we started from 1. But if we start our number from 0 and we'll move on from 1 2 3 4 and so on, we'll go down, that would be whole numbers. So that's a basic difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Another point, maybe when you go to higher classes, your higher standards, or maybe in college and all, there you would find that sometimes even natural numbers include 0. Okay, sometimes the natural numbers would include 0, but we'll leave for that class, for that higher standard. For your level, just know this, that the natural numbers and whole numbers differ by the fact that natural numbers will not have 0 and whole numbers will include 0, and therefore they will become the whole number, right? Natural number was the natural numbers that will come into mind for counting and ordering, and the whole number will become the whole number when you will include 0 in the natural numbers, and then you included 0 in the natural numbers, and then it became whole numbers. Okay, so this was the basic difference between these two. In the next video, we'll see what is number line and how to represent numbers on number lines. Thanks for watching.